Today, we will see in detail some of the commutation relations of annihilation and creation operator. In my previous class, we have seen the definition for annihilation and creation operator. By definition, annihilation operator is equal to square root of m omega over 2 h cross x cat plus I p cat over square root of 2 m omega h cross. So similarly, the A dagger creation operator. This is the annihilation operator and creation operator, just complex conjugate of this. So here it is plus, naturally here it will be minus. Now we want to find a commutation between A and A dagger, which is equal to A dagger minus A dagger A. And now, since it's a commutation relation, the self term commute with each other. That is, x will commute x, p will commute p. So we can ignore the self term. Only cross term will contribute. So first you take a and a dagger. A, you take first term of a. So which will commute with the first term? Only second term will contribute. Uh, Before that, when we are multiplying the cross term, we will have the constant. Constant for x is square root of m omega over 2h cross. Constant for p is I over 2 m omega h cross. So if you multiply both, this square root of m omega will get cancelled with the square root of m omega. So the terms left is in the numerator you have I, in the denominator square root of 2 h cross multiplied by square root of 2 h cross, which is equal to I over 2h cross. This you will get if you multiply the constant of the cross term, that is cross term constant of the x and p. Now you take a dagger. Now if you multiply the constant, you will get I over 2h cross. You take it as a constant. Now what is a dagger? A dagger. Here you have x, cross term is minus p. So minus x multiplied by p, x cat p cat. Then you take this term, second one. Second one will not commit with the first one. So this will be px. Of course, p and p will get cancelled. So you will get p and x. Then you take a dagger a, this and this. Now self term will not contribute, so you take first term and second term. So of course you have negative sign, minus x p, then x p, then if you multiply this and this, minus p x. So px minus xp is commutation of p with x. This is a commutation of x with p. Of course, you have I over 2 h cross. So now what is the commutation of p with x is minus I h cross. Commutation of x with p is I h cross. Of course, there is a negative sign. So you will get, if you subtract both, you will get minus I 2 h cross. Now 2 h cross will get cancelled with 2h cross. You have only I minus I. So which is equal to minus I squared. Minus I squared is minus 1. Minus of minus will become plus. So the commutation of A and A dagger is equal to 1. We got this. This is the important commutation relation. Now we will see the commutation relation between number operator and creation operator. So number operator by definition is equal to A dagger A, and we have to find out the relation. What will happen if number operator commit with a dagger? So using commutator expansion, you take this left hand side a dagger, left hand side, and keep other two inside the commutator. That is a dagger, and plus you take out the left hand side operator, annihilation operator, right hand side annihilation operator to the right hand side. Then you have a dagger, a dagger. So a dagger commit with the a dagger. This will be 0. Then naturally a dagger, just now we have seen the a dagger value is 1. So naturally the commutation of n with a dagger is equal to a dagger. Then in similar way, we will see what will happen if number operator act on annihilation operator. So by definition, number operator is a dagger a. Now you do the same thing what you have done here. That is, you take left hand side operator left hand side. That is a dagger. I am carrying out the commutator expansion. Then a commutation of a with a. Then you take out this right hand side annihilation operator to the right hand side. Then you will get a dagger a. So here a commit with a, this will be 0. Then what about this? We know a dagger is 1. Just now we have seen a when a commutation between a and a dagger is 1. That is a dagger minus a dagger, a is 1. So if you multiply by minus both sides, so this will become minus, this is plus, and this is minus. Now you can rearrange the term. A dagger A minus this first one, A dagger is equal to minus 1. That is, this is commutation between A dagger A, which is minus 1. Minus 1. So this will be minus 1. So when uh, annihilation operator, number operator commit with annihilation operator, you will get a negative sign. Here it is positive. Here it will you will get a negative sign minus this annihilation operator. The meaning of negative sign is it reduces the level by 1. It will increases the level by 1. So we will see this in detail when we are solving the problem. If you find this lecture helpful one, kindly subscribe, also share and join my channel for the growth of my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video continuously and supporting me continuously. Thank you very much.